In this video, we'll be reviewing how to submit an in-state manufacturer excise tax report on bells. From the licensing dashboard, click Reports, then select your monthly report. If you have no activity to report in the prior month, select No, and you'll be taken to the final page to submit. Let's go back and select Yes, and enter report information. Click the button next to each product group to enter your quantities produced, sold in Maine, and credits claimed. Remember to enter gallons for each and complete each required field. Upload any required documents, like proof for a credit. Click the declaration and Pay and Submit to proceed to payment and complete your filing.